1,600 bread flour, 1,600 bread flour. Okay, we have in our country or here in Peru, we have a different type of whole wheat flour. Okay, this is here it's called country flour. It's 100% in original, 100% what you say organic. There is no any chemical for the preservation. Okay, so we use this one, and this is whole wheat. Also, this type of whole wheat. Okay, we use 300 of this. Okay, 300 of this and 100 gram. Okay, so we have got 2 kg of flour, and this is 80% hydration. Okay, we will put 1,600. We put now 1,600 gram water. This is 80%, so you can start with, if it is 80% difficult for you, you can start with 65% hydration or 70 hydration. Okay, we are doing 80% hydration, and I put 1,600, and remaining I will put when I put sourdough and when I put my salt. So now it is autolyzing. So I don't put first of all sourdough. Just I will put for 2 hours for autolyze. Okay, I will mix. After mixing, I will keep it in room temperature for 2 hours autolyze. Thank you. Okay, now we are after 2 hours. Okay, look at the result of autolyzing. It's well autolyzed. Okay, so it's time to adding our starter. So our starter is ready to go. Okay, we will add 400 gram of starter. It's exactly 400 gram. Okay, now we have to mix it very well. Okay, so we will do like this. We will a little bit wet our hand to make things easy. Now just doing like this, keep doing like this until you have to see that the starter has well separated into the with the dough. Still we are not giving salt, and we will give olive oil, but still we are not giving. After half an hour we will give salt and olive oil. It's very difficult. If you have a dough mixing machine, you can go with that. Otherwise, it will take about 5-7 minutes. I'm sorry it's not separated, it's dissolved. Our starter has completely mixed with dough. See, I'm still doing about 7-8 minutes. You have to be very good. Okay, now it's ready. See, after half an hour we are adding our salt, 33 gram. Together with the salt, we will add 40 grams of olive oil. Very well mix. Again, you have to do this process. It's okay. Now we will transfer to the rectangle or square plastic. We will transfer to the. Now we will start stretch and folding process every 45 minutes. 5 times stretch and fold. Why we are doing this in this? Because easy to after 45 minutes. First stretch and fold. So do like this. This is first stretch and fold. We will do 5 stretch and folds every 45 minutes. After 5 stretches, 5th stretch and fold, we will put in the fridge for tomorrow. Okay, this is now 5th stretch and fold. And look at the dough, it's completely ready. Now we will give overnight Peruvian. We will put in the fridge and tomorrow shaping. This is our dough after resting overnight about 12 hours. So we have to a little bit flour it and we will drop over here. Okay, now we will divide it. Each bowl will be divided 425. It depends on yourself. You can make it small, you can make larger. My each ciabatta pan it's for 2 sandwich, 2 shower. We will divide for 420. 425. 450. Okay, now this is pre-shaping. Pre-shaping of ciabatta bread, it's same like almost same like a baguette or salmon bread of Turkish bread. It's same like but a little bit different. We are trying in ciabatta pan, not too much touch, not too much move, not too much press this bread. We shouldn't. We want the air pockets remain, and we don't want to press it too much. Just this is a pre-shape, so just close these sides. You can touch the flour, it's not touching. This is a pre-shape. Then again we will shape it before baking. This is just after 30 minutes rest. We will all put our divide our dough. After 30 minutes resting, we will last shape. Again we will give a rest. Then we will start baking. This last shape. So we will flour our working surface, and here we are going to give a last shape. But you have to give a lot of to take a lot of this. You have to give a lot of flour because half an hour it will be resting over here. Just this is only stretching. We are not beating too much. This is enough. So now it will go the rest. And second splash, we are just clean the pencil, the floor. in 220 Celsius, 220, 200, depends your oven. 20 minutes. In my oven, I bake 20 minutes and 15 minutes more or 10 minutes more in a bowl. First of all, as you are seeing, I am putting it over there. I am changing shelf. It depends your oven. So it's my oven like this. I have to change shelf. In some ovens, 15 minutes in 220 Celsius and 10 minutes in 200 Celsius. So in my oven, I will put just up. The breads for today. Okay, these all breads up to here is already sold, so we can check either of these three to check the crumbs. Okay, let's check this one. We will see what's inside. You can do over here half, and you can make a 2 sandwich. So let's see. You see, open crumbs inside. It's very good because it's 80% hydration. Let's see this smoke. Let's check for the sandwich. Like sandwich bread, you can do shawarma, döner.